You prescribe valproate or olanzapine and 2 weeks later the liver enzymes are elevated. Do you stop the MAID immediately or do you wait? Here is the Psychiatry Resident's Guide to Interpreting LFTs without calling a consult for every minor blip. Let's start with the players. ALT is your gold standard for hepatocellular injury. Remember L for liver. AST is less specific and can be elevated from muscle or heart issues. If you see high alkaline phosphatase or ALP, check the GGT. If GGT is also high, it confirms the issue is coming from the liver, typically indicating cholestasis or bile duct blockage, which we classically see with older drugs like chlorpromazine. Now look for the patterns. If ALT and AST are the dominant spikes, you have a hepatocellular pattern. This is common with valproate and many atypical antipsychotics. If the ratio of AST to ALT is 2 to 1 or higher and the GGT is elevated, you should strongly suspect alcohol use, which is a massive confounder in our field. Here is the one rule you cannot mess up. It is called H-Wise law. If the ALT is greater than 3 times the upper limit of normal and the bilirubin is greater than 2 times normal, you are in the danger zone for fatal drug-induced liver injury. This is a hard stop. You must discontinue the suspected agent immediately. Also remember that enzymes show injury but they do not show function. To know if the liver is actually failing, look at albumin and INR. These measure the liver's ability to synthesize proteins. If INR is rising, you have acute failure. So what is your workflow? If the elevation is mild, meaning less than 3 times the upper limit of normal, and the patient has no symptoms like jaundice or nausea, you usually do not need to panic. You can often continue the medication while monitoring closely and repeating the labs. But if it crosses that 3 times threshold, or if you see synthetic failure, stop the drug and get a hepatology consult. If this breakdown saved you a headache on rounds, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments which lab panel you want decoded next.